Before you start, make sure all the parts are included by going through the list in your instruction manual. You will also need a screwdriver, which is not included with the grill. Now that you have gone through the list, you can start with the bottom panel. Locate the tank bolt and secure it to the large round hole in the panel with a truss head screw with washer and a flat washer. Once complete, place the bottom panel trim piece opposite the side of the tank bolt and secure with 5 truss head screws with washers and 5 flat washers. Locate the swivel caster and the swivel caster with brake and attach them to the left side of the bottom panel with the truss head screws and washers and 1/4 inch flat washers. On the right side of the bottom panel, attach both regular casters with the same screws. Now flip the panel over. Locate the door iron piece and attach to the side opposite the tank bolt using the truss head screws with washers and flat washers. Next, you will install the left and right side panels using 3 truss head screws with washers and flat washers on both panels. Next comes the rear panel, which requires using 3 regular truss head screws to attach. Locate the left and right triangle brackets, install using regular truss head screws, 4 for the left bracket and 4 for the right bracket. Next, you will be attaching the cart frame. This will go near the top of the side panels on the same side as the door piece. Secure it with 4 truss head screws. Find the left and right doors, and with 4 truss head screws, attach the handles to the doors using 2 screws for one side and 2 for the other. Now the doors need to be installed at the hinges. To do this, you'll need to use 6 flathead screws for each door. Locate the grease tray assembly and attach the 2 assembly parts with slots underneath the tray at the opening. You'll need 4 regular truss head screws and 4 5/32 of an inch flat washers to do this. Now you can attach the 2 remaining assembly parts with 2 regular truss head screws for each part. Now you can take the main burner bowl and lid and place them on top of the base of the grill. Please note that this step will require assistance from another person. Once safely in place, you can secure the burner and lid using 2 truss head screws on both sides. Now take your fully assembled grease tray and slide it into place through the back of the grill. Locate the grease box and slide it into place underneath the grease tray. Lift the main lid and install the side burner bowl to the right side of the grill using 3 regular truss head screws and 3 1/4 inch flat washers. Secure the opposite side of the burner bowl with a regular truss head screw and a 5/32 of an inch flat washer. Tighten the screws already in place onto the side burner. To install the side burner control knob, loosen the screws already in place where the knob will go, and then place the knob appropriately, securing it with the screws you just removed. Next, locate the side burner. As you previously did with the burner knob, loosen the screws on the burner and set aside. Place it onto the side burner bowl and secure with the removed screws. Once this is complete, you can slide the burner knob in place. No screws are required. The knob should fit snugly if installed correctly. Now go ahead and attach the igniter pin to the side burner. There is a hole underneath the side burner bowl for the pin to slide through. The igniter should rest comfortably in place. Be sure there is no more than 3 mm between the pin and burner. Now find the left side shelf and secure it to the grill using 3 truss head screws and 3 1/4 inch flat washers. You will also need to use a truss head screw and a 5/32 of an inch washer underneath the shelf in addition to tightening the screws already in place. Locate the 4 flame tamers and place them inside the grill at the bottom of the main burner bowl. No screws are necessary to secure. Now you can set the 2 cooking grids in place on top of the flame tamers. Place the side burner cooking grid over top of the side burner. Next comes the warming rack, which goes directly above the cooking grids. Again, no screws are necessary for this step. Find the pulse igniter assembly and connect the main gas valve. This can be found on the front of the grill all the way to the left side. Your grill is now finished and ready for use.